To manufacture high-quality brick, you literally have to make them from the ground up, starting with removing clay and shale from the ground. For high-quality brick, there is no better natural resource than the Ohio clays and shales mined near the Belden manufacturing plants. It's no accident that the Belden brick plants are located in the heart of a region rich in high-quality clay and shale. These plentiful supplies of natural resources were a primary reason for locating Belden brick operations in this region. Having our own clay and shale mines ensures Belden brick of a reliable source of the highest quality raw materials. Rich reserves of these valuable resources will provide us with an adequate supply of raw material for the next 40 years or more. Most of these rich clay deposits are close enough to the surface to be removed with dragline and power shovel surface mining equipment. A fleet of excavating, mining, and hauling equipment works year-round, supplying our plants with the necessary raw material needed for continuous production. Minutes after being removed from the earth, the raw materials are transported directly to the nearby plants where the process of brick making begins. We depend on the land to provide our raw materials, but we also realize that we have a responsibility to protect and restore that land. Land that is rich in clay and shale is typically too rugged and rocky to be of any agricultural value. But after removing the clay and shale from the earth, we reclaim the land and transform it into fertile and productive farmland that can be used for grazing or growing. Our reclamation efforts may include restoring or creating ponds and streams. These water sources will help support wildlife and enhance the natural environment long after our mining operations are gone. Leaving the land better than we found it through responsible surface mining is an important element in the Belden brick making process. We depend on the land for our raw materials, and we have a commitment to restore that land after removing the clay and shale. Just as we strive to create beauty in the homes and buildings made with Belden brick, we strive to restore beauty in the land through our restoration efforts.